Ever looked at your phone number and wondered, is there more to it than just digits? What if those numbers hold a hidden code, a whisper from the universe, shaping your destiny? For centuries, ancient cultures believed in the power of numbers, a mystical science known as numerology. It taught that numbers weren't just for counting, but held vibrational frequencies, influencing everything from personalities to events. Fast forward to today, where your mobile number isn't just a contact, it's your digital lifeline. It's how the world reaches you, from urgent calls to joyous messages. But could it also hold a deeper meaning, a key to unlocking your true potential? Now, before you start thinking your phone number holds immense power over your destiny, let's clear the air. While numerology offers fascinating insights, it's not about predicting your future or controlling your fate. Instead, think of it as a tool for self-discovery. By understanding the numerology behind your mobile number, you gain a fresh perspective on your strengths, challenges, and hidden talents. Okay, let's first address the elephant in the room. While it's tempting to attribute mystical powers to those digits on your screen, your mobile number's influence might be less about the numbers themselves and more about the perception they create. Think about it when you see a sleek car with a vanity plate or a house with a prominently displayed number. It often paints a picture of success, doesn't it? It's not the numbers themselves that are inherently powerful, but the image they project. Similarly, your mobile number, especially in professional settings, can contribute to your overall image. A memorable, easy-to-recall number can make you seem more accessible and professional. But here's another twist. In today's world of instant messaging and saved contacts, how often do people actually dial your number? Most of us rely on names and pictures in our contact lists. So, does your mobile number even matter as much as we think? This is where the real power lies. Not in the digits, but in the energy you project, your confidence, your communication style, the way you present yourself. These are the factors that truly shape your interactions and opportunities. So, while numerology can offer interesting insights and a fun way to explore your personality, let's not get carried away. Your mobile number is just one small piece of the puzzle. The true magic lies within you. Alright, let's dive into the heart of the matter. What exactly is mobile numerology, and how can it play a role in your life? In essence, mobile numerology is the practice of assigning meanings to the digits in your phone number, similar to how traditional numerology analyzes birth dates or names. It's believed that these numbers can influence the energy you project, impacting your communication, relationships, and even opportunities. Now here's the key takeaway. Mobile numerology isn't about finding a magic number that will instantly solve all your problems or grant you overnight success. It's more about aligning your mobile number with your core numerological profile, enhancing the positive vibrations you already possess. In numerology, 3 core numbers are often considered crucial. First is Mulank, or root number. This is derived from your birth date and represents your core personality, strengths, and challenges. Just understand the concept of these numbers here. In next segment, we will discuss in details how to calculate these numbers we are talking, so don't worry. Second is Bagyank, or destiny number. Also calculated from your birth date, this signifies your life path, purpose, and potential. And third is name number. This is derived from the numerical values assigned to the letters in your name and represents your outer personality, how others perceive you. Ideally, your mobile number should complement these core numbers, creating a harmonious flow of energy. For instance, if your Mulank is 5, indicating a dynamic and adventurous personality, a mobile number with a prominent 5 or another compatible number could amplify those traits. However, let's not forget the power of perception. Even if your mobile number isn't perfectly aligned with your core numbers, the way you present it can still make a difference. A confident and positive attitude can overshadow any perceived numerological flaws. So, how do you go about choosing a mobile number that works for you? Here are a few tips. If you're serious about aligning your mobile number with your numerological profile, consider seeking guidance from a professional numerologist. They can analyze your core numbers and suggest suitable options. What do you want to attract into your life? If you're looking for career success, a number associated with ambition and leadership might be beneficial. If you're seeking love, a number related to harmony and connection could be more suitable. Ultimately, the best mobile number is one that resonates with you. If a particular number feels right, go for it, even if it doesn't perfectly match your numerological profile. Friends, your mobile number is just one small aspect of your life. Focus on building your inner strength, pursuing your passions, and cultivating positive relationships. These are the true keys to success and happiness. Now, let's get practical and learn how to calculate your core numbers. Don't worry, it's simple arithmetic. Let's first calculate your root number. Write down your complete date of birth, day, month, and year. Add all the individual digits together. If the sum is a 2-digit number, add those 2 digits again. Continue reducing the sum until you get a single digit between 1 and 9. This single digit is your Moulayank or root number. For example, if your date of birth is 15th August 1990, in digits it will be 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0 equals to 33. Further reducing 33, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So your root number is 6. Your Moulayank represents your core personality, strengths, weaknesses, and natural talents. Next, calculating your Bagyank destiny number. Follow the same steps as for calculating your root number. However, instead of your birth date, use the digits of your full name as it appears on your birth certificate. Assign numerical values to each letter of your name using a standard numerology chart, easily found online. Add the values of all the letters together. Reduce the sum to a single digit between 1 and 9, as explained earlier. This single digit is your Bagyank or destiny number. Your Bagyank signifies your life path, purpose, and the opportunities that may come your way. Now let's calculate your name number. Again, use the same process as for calculating your destiny number. This time, use the digits of your full name as you commonly use it. Even if it differs slightly from your birth certificate, your name number represents your outer personality and how others perceive you. Now let's talk about friendly, neutral, and unfriendly numbers. Friendly numbers are those that resonate well with your core numbers, enhancing their positive qualities. Neutral numbers have neither a positive nor a negative impact. Unfriendly numbers may create challenges or conflicts with your core numbers. To find a mobile number that's compatible with your core numbers, you can use a numerology chart. These charts list the vibrational qualities associated with each number and their compatibility with other numbers. Ideally, you want a mobile number that has a majority of friendly numbers and minimal unfriendly numbers. Remember, choosing a mobile number aligned with your numerology is just one step towards creating a positive first impression. Your actions, attitude, and the energy you project are equally, if not more, important. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's explore some advanced mobile numerology techniques that can further enhance the positive energy associated with your phone number. First is affirmations and mobile numbers. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated regularly, can program your subconscious mind for success. Combining affirmations with your mobile number can be a powerful way to reinforce your goals and intentions. One simple technique is to save your own contact information in your phone with a specific title that reflects your desired outcome. For instance, if you're aspiring to become a successful lawyer, you could save your contact as lawyer sir or advocate, your name. Every time you see this title, it serves as a reminder of your ambition and creates a subtle pressure to work towards that goal. Remember, the key is to choose an affirmation that resonates with you and aligns with your core values. Next is reputation and mobile numerology. Your mobile number isn't just a string of digits. It's also linked to your reputation. In today's digital age, services like Truecaller can reveal a lot about you based on your phone number. A good reputation can enhance the positive energy associated with your number, while a negative one can have the opposite effect. So, always strive to maintain a good reputation by being honest, reliable, and respectful in your interactions. This will not only benefit you in the long run, but also contribute to the positive aura surrounding your mobile number. Then we have name correction and numerology. Sometimes, the spelling of your name might not perfectly align with your numerological profile. In such cases, a numerologist might suggest a slight modification to your name's spelling to enhance its vibrational energy. This is known as name correction. While name correction can be a powerful tool, it's essential to approach it with caution. Changing your name even slightly can have legal and personal implications. Always consult a qualified numerologist and consider all aspects before making any changes. Okay, as we wrap up this exploration into the fascinating world of mobile numerology, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We've journeyed through ancient wisdom and modern applications, discovering how numbers can influence our perceptions and potentially even our paths in life. We've delved into core numerological concepts like Mulank, Bagyank, and name number, learning how to calculate them and understand their significance. We've also explored advanced techniques like affirmations, reputation management, and even name correction, showcasing the multifaceted ways numerology can be integrated into our lives. But amidst all the calculations and interpretations, let's not lose sight of the most important truth. The real power lies within you. Your mindset, actions, and intentions are the driving forces behind your destiny. Numerology can be a helpful guide, a source of insight and inspiration, but it's ultimately up to you to shape your own reality. So, as you embark on your own numerological journey, remember to approach it with an open mind and a playful spirit. Don't get bogged down by rigid rules or superstitions. Instead, use numerology as a tool for self-discovery, a way to tap into your inner wisdom and potential. And most importantly, have fun with it. Explore different techniques, experiment with affirmations, and see what resonates with you. The journey of self-discovery is a lifelong adventure, and every step, every number, is a part of that beautiful journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on numerology, astrology, and other fascinating topics. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. Remember, the universe is full of magic and wonder, and numbers are just one way to tap into its infinite possibilities. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep shining your light.